This is the outside. This is the dining room. Nice hardwood floors. This is the formal living room. This is the kitchen. Nice island. Pantry. Gas stove. And then you have, like, I guess they would call it the family room. So I'm going to stand back here so you can see the full effect. So you can see it's very open here. Here is the master, same hardwood floors. You have a tray ceiling. You could easily fit a king size bed there if you want to, 2 nightstands. And there's plenty of extra space here. And then here is the master bathroom. Tile floors, double vanity, a soaker tub, stand-up shower, and this is your closet. Here you can probably see the ceiling's just a little bit better. So this direction, you have a half bath. And then you have a nice laundry room with a storage unit, which is nice for cleaners and everything in the laundry room. Just so you know where we're at again, there is the master, family room, and kitchen. We're gonna go upstairs. You have a nice open area up here. We'd call that a loft, and you have 4 more bedrooms upstairs and 2 full baths. So this is the loft area. If you go this direction, it's one of the bedrooms. Closet. This is the bathroom that these bedrooms could share. And then here is the second bedroom up here. All these rooms would easily hold a queen size bed. Deep closet. This would be the third bedroom up here. And all the bedrooms up here, which is nice, are all about the same size. So there'd be no arguing over space. And then you have a linen closet. So you have a 2-car garage that I'm going to show you. So when you walk out back here, you'll have a covered patio. You can put a couple of tables and chairs. And there's not a whole lot of yard back here for mowing, but you do have a little bit of green space. And this is your 2-car garage. Well, there's extra space on the side of it to put like a refrigerator. And then upstairs here, if you ever wanted to finish it out,